Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a quick tip for Canva. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is log into our Canva account. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Then when you sort of hit this home screen, I want you to go up into the top right hand corner, hit create a design. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to make ourselves a custom size. So hit that custom size button. And I want you to type in 1000 by 1000 pixels and make sure this drop down here is set to PX. And click create a new design. Beautiful, so we've got our blank canvas here. Now the area that we're going to be making our profile picture from is the elements section. So in the far left hand side of the page, click elements and all these gorgeous resources will pop up. The area that we want to look for is frames. And if we go see all, you can see there's lots of great shapes in here. We're going to be using the circle, so I'm going to grab that and I'm just going to click it and it's going to appear on my canvas. I'm just going to resize it to almost be the same size. Now I'm just going to drag it and you'll see as I sort of drag it towards the center, those guides will snap the circle into the dead center of the canvas, and that is exactly where we want it. Beautiful. So whenever you see these clouds and sort of hills and the blue sky, this is a frame which is totally editable and you can just drag and drop photos directly into this. So you can upload your own profile picture, but for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm just going to find a great photo here. So I'm going to go to photos. I'm going to use this one here. Now, if I drag and drop that photo in, you can see it just automatically crops to the circle. And if I double click on that, it gives me the option to resize that image and move it around so it's perfectly placed. Now, the final step is to download your file. So if you want a transparent background, you will need to download a PNG. So go to the top right hand corner, hit download and make sure the file type is set to PNG. And a really important step so that this doesn't download with a white background is to hit transparent background and then hit download. And that will just load for you. Beautiful, it's all done. If I open that up now, I've got my beautiful profile image.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.